What is up, guys? Welcome to another video out here on the KLX. It is a dry day in Oregon, which is a good thing, but it's a little chilly out. So that means we are going to go to the local gear shop, see if I can pick out some winter gear that I want to get. Then, of course, after that, we're going to have a fun ride on the KLX. Going to do some urban exploring, wheelies, see if we can't find some leaves or something to mess around on. But of course, all that fun stuff that constitutes having fun. Right now, we're going to be hitting the highway real quick. Alright, here we go. After we hit the gear shop, we're gonna go to the motorcycle dealer because I want to look at a couple motorcycles. Kind of want to see if they have a MT-09 and an MT-07. Those are my latest bikes that I've been researching. Both of them seem like they'd be a cool build, but couldn't decide which one would be better. So why not go ahead and look at them? Plus, I also want to check out that dirt track thing they have there. I want to see what that's all about. Maybe I can ask someone. This is the first time that the sun is actually trying to come out today, even though it's about to set in probably about an hour, hour and a half. So it's a good time to be going out riding right now, because when the sun sets, you'll hear me say it time and time again, it gets pretty cold pretty quick. This whole day actually has been foggy, so the sun never really came out to give us some warmth. Of course, if I just get some good gear, cold won't really matter. I have a leather jacket that I can wear on top of a bunch of layers for my top half, but the pants, I need to get something that'll keep me warm, so I'm gonna go look at some base layers. Hopefully some things that'll block the wind, because that's the thing that seems to kill me. Uh-oh, Mr. Officer. They got someone boxed in. That doesn't look good. Alright, see you guys when I get out. Alright guys, so I think I found some base layers. Now, just need to come back and get those. And now that that's out of the way, we can go ahead and go to motorcycle dealer. Jeez. Looks like they got the whole intersection shut down here. Now I can go to the motorcycle dealer and check out those bikes that I want to look at. Alright, we're going to take the nice city route. Stay at a little bit of slower speeds. Have some more fun being able to accelerate instead of the freeway. Also get to stay warm, so that's a plus. Now actually, I'm going to go to other side of town real quick, and then I'll go to the dealer. Oh yeah, looks like there's probably going to be some more mods coming for the KLX. I'm pretty excited for them, but you guys are going to have to stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, so that way you can get notified when these mods do come in, because I think they're going to be pretty exciting. Oh geez, I have to adjust my clock. Forgot that daylight saving. Well, actually I didn't forget. I just forgot to change the clock. Daylight savings time is over. I always forget how to do it. I think you have to hold the mode button and then until the time starts flashing or something like that. Then I think you can change it. here. Kids always seem to love motorcycles. Now that does put a smile on my face. Little Marvel reference for you guys. Alright, now we can head to the motorcycle dealership. Almost to the motorcycle dealership. Check out the FZ09 and FZ07. If you guys want to, let me know down in the comments what you think about each of those bikes. The reason I want to look at them is because they seem like they would be a cool motorcycle to turn into a scrambler, but also still have the capability to do some highway stuff on it, like maybe 200 to 300 mile trips. I think I would lean towards the FZ09 or MT09, whatever you want to call it. Not because I think I need the extra power, but it would be nice to have just in case you need it. But both of them sound good. Both of them are around the same weight, and the suspension travel and the ground clearance, they are similar, if not almost the same. So it's kind of, in my opinion, why wouldn't I go with the FZ09? Because, I don't know, it just has more power. Therefore, if I ever got the urge for more power on the FZ07, I wouldn't have to sell it. Of course, I would keep the KLX to do the hardcore stuff, and my KLX will always be my main bike because, as you guys know, I don't like limiting myself to the street. So that's why if I got something like the FZ09, it would be in Scrambler trim because, you know, I like to hop curves, rip berms, do all that good stuff. So that's why I wouldn't want to get a dedicated street bike, because I still want to be able to do that stuff. There's other things like the Ducati Scrambler Desert Sled, but those are air-cooled, and I do a lot of city riding, so I don't think I'd enjoy that very much in the city, especially with all this traffic that we get here, unfortunately. And then all the other naked sport bikes don't really have enough ground clearance or suspension travel. I'm not saying that the FZs do, but they have more than the others. And what would I use a Scrambler for? Probably just dirt roads. Like I said, I have the KLX to go hardcore off-road, so I wouldn't need anything else to go hardcore off-road. Ah, yes, my favorite corners. Oh look, Spirit of Halloween is gone, so now we got Toys R Us lot back to ourselves. I guess one thing that the FZ07 has going for it is that in the city, you're going to be able to use a lot more of that power instead of the FZ09, where you're in first gear and then you accelerate and then you're like, oh, well, there's the speed limit. Alright, let's see if we can't get some shots inside. Oh, whoa, that's the new Teryx. I gotta show you guys this. I forgot to bring my good camera. I'll try and get some shots on my phone though. This thing is sick. It's already beefed up from the factory. It's got a wider stance than the first Polaris's. Alright, looks like they're gonna go have some fun with the side-by-sides. That Terex over there is pretty cool. Checked out the FZ07 and the 9. I don't know, I keep on going back and forth between them, but right now it looks like the 7 is winning just because for the purpose I'd use it for as a scrambler type thing, I feel like it would do a little better just because it's a little lighter, and the 700cc parallel twin would be a little bit easier to manage. Alright guys, well I think I'm going to finish off this video going through the old Toys R Us lot. See what's up over here. For good old time's sake, probably finish off the video after that. Definitely got some leaves back here. Whoa, that's a big leaf pile. Like they got all the leaves scraped up here now. Probably for people like me, so if they fall, they don't get sued. Just an idea though. Alright, well it looks like we're clear, so we can go ahead and get this party started. Alright guys, instead of just getting one good wheelie for me, we got a few of them. Getting better and better every time I go. So that's a positive thing. With that, I think I'm going to end today's video. Like I said already, you guys are going to want to hit that subscribe button. Keep up with the new stuff coming for the KLX. I think it's going to be pretty exciting. Of course, smash that like button. Share this video to your friends and those who may enjoy it. We had a great day today checking out some bikes. Looking at future potential bikes on the channel. Looks like I finally found some cold gear that'll get the job done. And of course, getting better and better every time I go to the lot. So, with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.